Hello everyone, I'm back again with content, period. So today I'm going to be crinkling my 30-inch wig from Westkiss, finally. It's been weeks since I got this hair and colored it, and yeah, it's just been a lot going on right now. I'm moving back to Houston, so like everything's everywhere. So if you see my room is a mess, it's because I'm moving, guys. Don't get on me too much for it, but yeah, this bedhead crinkle, I came on here to do a little mini review, and guys, I can't lie, this is the best crimper, crinkler, whatever, ever. First off, it gets really hot really fast, and on top of that, it's easy to use. You don't even have to place it on the hair for too long, because it gets really hot. And so yeah, I really love it, and I hope it lasts long. I'm not sure how long it lasts, but I think it should. And then on top of that, guys, it has 4 different levels. Like, you can get 4 different curls from it. Like right there where the knob is at the end, the black knob, you can twist it up and down and you'll get 4 different types of curls. Like, it's crazy. And in a different video, I'll probably test out the 4 different, levels to it. So watch out for that. And thank you guys. I may come back to speak on some things, but for the most part, just keep watching. Love you guys. Thanks. So guys, in the previous clip, you saw that I did the hair right before the tracks. And so right here, I'm going to take a part of the frontal towards the back to cover that line where the tracks are. So you won't see it when it's installed on my head. And you always want to make sure to do this. Even if you're not crinkling hair, if you're flat ironing it, anything like that, you want to make sure you cover that track line always. So take a piece of it from the frontal and then use that part to cover that track. So guys, right here, this was very, very stupid of me. But you guys, before you even do the frontal, before you even crimp it, make sure to hot comb it back. Don't do it after you crinkled it because it looks a mess. Like, it doesn't even look good. And so after this, I went back in and actually did it correctly and crinkled it again just to make sure it looked right. And yes, guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Stay tuned for next week. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but you guys will see. Bye. I love you guys.